Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest tips and tricks for achieving your fitness goals. Today, we're diving into the top 6 best ways to lose fat and get fit fast. Whether you're a beginner or looking to fine-tune your fat loss strategy, these methods will help you shed those extra pounds. So, let's jump right in. 1. High-intensity interval training. In our first segment, we'll delve into the extraordinary benefits of high-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT, a powerhouse workout strategy for rapid and efficient fat loss. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a workout technique that can supercharge your fat-burning endeavors. It involves alternating between short bursts of high-intensity exercises and brief recovery periods. These high-intensity exercises can encompass activities like sprinting, jumping jacks, burpees, or even cycling at maximum effort. The essence is to push your body to its limits during these bursts, challenging both your cardiovascular system and muscles. The remarkable aspect of HIIT is its ability to elevate your metabolism not just during your workout but for hours afterward. This means you'll continue to burn calories even when you're at rest, rendering it an incredibly effective fat-burning method. The cherry on top? A typical HIIT session can be completed in just 20-30 minutes, making it a perfect fit for individuals with hectic schedules. 2. Lean protein. Now, let's delve into a specific dietary strategy that can significantly elevate your fat loss journey, incorporating lean protein into your daily meals. Lean protein sources, such as skinless chicken breast, salmon, tofu, and beans, should become pillars of your diet. Why, you ask? Because protein is not only essential for muscle growth and repair but also a key player in fat loss. Here's how it works. Protein boasts a high thermic effect, which means it demands more energy for digestion compared to carbohydrates and fats. This process cranks up calorie expenditure and fat burning. Moreover, protein serves as a potent appetite regulator by enhancing the feeling of fullness. This curbs overall calorie intake, simplifying the maintenance of a calorie deficit, a pivotal factor in fat loss. By prioritizing lean protein in your diet, you not only supply your body with vital nutrients but also create an ideal environment for fat loss. Therefore, remember to incorporate lean protein sources into your meals to bolster your fitness goals. Before we go to our third pick, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 3. Strength training. Now, let's delve into the third method for effective fat loss, strength training. Strength training, also known as resistance training, is a powerful approach to accelerate fat loss and achieve a toned physique. Here's why it's so effective. Muscle burns calories. One of the key benefits of strength training is that it helps you build and maintain lean muscle mass. Unlike fat, muscle tissue is metabolically active, which means it burns calories even when you're at rest. By increasing your muscle mass through strength training, you elevate your basal metabolic rate, allowing you to burn more calories throughout the day. Afterburn effect. Similar to high-intensity interval training, HIIT, strength training can trigger an afterburn effect, technically known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. This means that after your workout, your body continues to burn calories as it recovers and repairs muscle tissue. Enhanced fat oxidation. Strength training can improve your body's ability to oxidize fat. This means your body becomes more efficient at using stored fat for energy, contributing to fat loss. Improved body composition. As you build muscle and lose fat, your body composition changes. You may not see a significant change on the scale, but you'll notice positive changes in your physique and how your clothes fit. To incorporate strength training into your fitness routine, focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. Aim to gradually increase the weight you lift to continually challenge your muscles and promote fat loss. 4. Mindful eating. Now, let's explore the fourth method for effective fat loss, mindful eating. Mindful eating is a practice that involves being fully present and conscious of what and how you eat. It can have a profound impact on your weight management and fat loss goals. Here's how it can work for you. Slow down. One of the fundamental principles of mindful eating is to eat slowly and savor each bite. This approach allows your body to recognize feelings of fullness, preventing overeating and supporting fat loss. Listen to your body. Pay close attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're genuinely hungry, and stop when you're satisfied but not overly full. This mindful approach helps you control portion sizes and calorie intake. Eliminate distractions. Avoid eating in front of the TV, computer, or smartphone. When you eat mindfully, you become more aware of your food choices and portion sizes, which can lead to healthier eating habits. Choose nutrient-dense foods. Mindful eating encourages the consumption of whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are not only healthier but also more satisfying, helping you stay on track with your fat loss goals. Emotional eating. Be mindful of emotional eating triggers. Instead of using food as a coping mechanism for stress or emotions, explore alternative ways to manage your feelings, such as engaging in physical activity, practicing meditation, or seeking support from friends and family. By incorporating mindfulness into your eating habits, you can make more conscious and healthier food choices, control portion sizes, and ultimately support your fat loss goals while improving your relationship with food. 5. Intermittent fasting. Now, let's dive into the next method for effective fat loss, intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, IF, is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. It's gained popularity for its potential to promote fat loss and improve overall health. Here's how it works. Fasting windows. Intermittent fasting typically involves dividing your day or week into fasting windows and eating windows. Common fasting patterns include the 16-8 method, 16 hours of fasting and an 8-hour eating window, or the 5-2 method, eating normally for 5 days and restricting calorie intake on 2 non-consecutive days. Caloric control. Intermittent fasting doesn't necessarily prescribe specific foods, but it does emphasize when you eat. By limiting your eating to specific time periods, you naturally reduce calorie intake, which can create a calorie deficit, a key factor in fat loss. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting may improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use glucose more effectively. This can reduce the risk of fat storage and promote fat burning. Hormone regulation. Intermittent fasting can influence hormone levels, including increased levels of norepinephrine and human growth hormone, HGH, which play roles in fat breakdown and metabolism. It's essential to choose an intermittent fasting approach that suits your lifestyle and preferences. Remember to stay hydrated during fasting periods and focus on nutrient-dense foods during your eating windows to support your overall health. 6. High-fiber diet. Our last method to promote fat loss is eating a high-fiber diet. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate found in plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. Incorporating a high-fiber diet can aid in fat loss through the following mechanisms. Increased satiety. High-fiber foods are filling and help you feel satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking on unhealthy options. Calorie reduction. Since fiber-rich foods are often lower in calories compared to processed foods, incorporating them into your meals can naturally reduce overall calorie intake. Stabilized blood sugar. Fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This helps control cravings and promotes more stable energy levels. Improved digestive health. A high-fiber diet supports healthy digestion and regular bowel movements, reducing bloating and water retention. To incorporate more fiber into your diet, focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Enjoy a variety of fruits and vegetables. Choose whole grains over refined grains, and include legumes and nuts in your meals and snacks. Gradually increase your fiber intake to allow your digestive system to adapt. In conclusion, we've explored 6 methods for effective fat loss. By integrating these strategies into your fitness and nutrition plan, you can further enhance your fat loss journey and work towards achieving a healthier, leaner you. Consistency and dedication remain key, so make these methods a part of your daily routine on your path to realizing your fitness goals. If you found this information valuable, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more fitness insights and tips. Stay motivated, stay fit, and stay healthy. If you have any video ideas, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.